What a great move. And the beginning of the month, natural gas has given it has breached past the targets at 5 and 5.2 levels. And remember, at this point itself, I had mentioned that natural gas is ready to deliver a stronger rally. Right from 3, it has already moved now towards 5.3 levels and closed the week at 5.2, almost a 70% yield in just last 3 months. This is the beauty of technicals. Yes, we are staying bullish in natural gas since long. Is this the time for gas to move towards $6 levels in the month of December or in the next couple of months, or the highs are done and we should wait for a reversal? As you can see, this is how it is trading. What should we expect from natural gas in the month of December and in the coming week? We're going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is a long term forecast, and I do share my twice a day updates. First with the AHA session, next before the US session, so that you can profit trading natural gas across geographies, across sessions. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. Now, see what gas is delivered last week. See, earlier I had mentioned that it is posting a reversal and then it is closed in green. So this was the indication that it might deliver a breakout, and see the levels beautifully. I had mentioned very clearly, once it trades beyond 4.8, we are ready for a good rally. What has happened? It has breached past 4.8, 4.82 and moved towards 5.32. This is possible that this could be the also first breakout candle, and it can deliver couple or more bullish candles from here. Now imagine if this becomes the first candle, the next one are going to be further bigger, which means the possible move towards 5.5, 5.8 and 6 could be there very soon. Now notice what has happened in natural gas for last multiple weeks. It has traded bearish, it has created a nice flag, and since then it is trading bullish. My only worry point here is that it has delivered stronger moves for multiple weeks now, and it is possible that it could start to retrace. However, now 4.8 and 4.4 zone, this is going to remain the strongest support zone. That is the first part. As long as 4.8 and 4.4 is not taken, do not treat this as bearish here. The second part here is the 5 period, which is offering it a very good support, which means 4.8 itself is going to remain the strongest support if at all natural gas decides to move lower here. And the most important observation, since the crossover, we are now seeing moving averages starting to diverge. The second worry point is that once it trades below 5 period moving average, the move towards $4 levels can be expected here. As you can see that now this is crossed over, this is certainly a bullish indication, and this could lead to a stronger rally breaking past 5.4. We can definitely expect a stronger rally in gas prices. Stochastic overbought here. The MACD, since the crossover trading with divergence, is staying bullish, looking upwards. Remember, it has still got lot much of room on the upside. Imagine on the weekly charts, if at all MACD achieves this top here, the prices are going to be way above $8 or $10 levels. Be mindful of this. The RSI is rising, which is also a supportive sign for the bulls here. Let's have a look at the monthly. On the monthly charts, remember it has formed a neck, and since the neck, now this is putting pressure on the bands to expand. The second point here is the rise retracement. So this is the third wave which is continuing here. Now when you connect the highs and the lows here, you will find that it is trading bullish here, and this is the zone which it would like to strike. The zone is now close to 5.8 and $6 zone here. It is possible that net gas can achieve these levels in this month itself. The momentum which it's shown towards the last trading session in the last week, if it continues with this, possibly we are soon going to see natural gas at $6 levels. Now see what has happened. You can notice these two candles, the body sizes have started to reduce. The current candle appears to be struggling here, and thus 5.2, 5.4 zone, this is going to definitely remain a critical resistance zone here on the upside, and hence you have to watch out how it behaves now at these levels. Now also notice the moving averages on the monthly charts is crossing over here on the buy side. Now this is a beautiful crossover. This suggests, see, this is a monthly candle, and on the monthly charts, once the moving averages starts to cross over, see, this leads to a near-term bullishness. It could prevail here strongly bullish for the next year or so, or in fact couple of years. Yes, this crossover is definitely a good sign for the bulls. Only thing is it has to respect the support levels on the downside. 4.8, 4.4 zone first, 4 second, and then 3.23 the third. These levels are the levels which will confirm, which can only confirm a reversal in the natural gas prices. Else, right now it is very much staying bullish. Stochastic here getting back to overbought levels. The MACD, look at the MACD after staying, or you can say a sharp drop, it has crossed over. This is starting to diverge. This is a supportive sign for further bullishness here. RS is rising, which is also a sign for further bullishness. Now coming to the daily. Now on the daily charts, notice what it has done. We have discussed this in our daily update. Rise retracement towards 20 period, taking the support. Now 4.8 was the resistance, and see in just 3 trading sessions, what a move it has delivered. Right from 4.8, we have seen a move towards 5. And it has closed the week at a critical number at 5.2. Now second thing here is, look at the neck it has created here in Bollinger Bands. Now this neck comes with an opportunity for net gas to stay bullish, put pressure on the bands to expand. Also, this is a breakout after consolidation. This suggests that this rally might continue, and this also indicates that possibly natural gas might open with a gap up here. Any move beyond 5.32 and 5.4 will confirm a greater rally ahead here. Notice, just connect the highs here. It is almost at the top here, and thus till 5.4 you have to watch out. Once it trades beyond 5.4, I think it is not going to stop. We are ready for a greater rally. In fact, $6 levels cannot be denied very soon. Be mindful of this. Moving averages trading with divergence. This is a good supportive sign for further bullishness. The stochastic is staying overbought. It is not that it cannot stay overbought. Remember the days when it has stayed oversold for multiple weeks and days here. Yes, and that too extreme oversold levels are seen here. So stochastic, yes, it can still stay overbought here for months and weeks. Look at MACD. After a brief retracement, it has just crossed over first greener candle. It appears it is at least going to form a double top, which means the month of December might be a strongly bullish one, might remain a very strongly bullish one. It can in fact move towards 6, and at those levels we'll see how it behaves. Because see, hitting the top, this may start beginning to retrace, and hence uh, possibly the next couple of weeks or so we might see bullishness prevailing, and then it can start off with the reversal. But right now I'll not say that it is turning bearish here. RSI is rising, which is also a supportive sign for the bulls here. Look at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour charts, see it has stayed in zone, then this breakout has appeared. Also notice this is how it was trading, then this breakout has appeared. Now one possibility that it may try to fall back within this zone, that is 5 and 4.8. Now 4.8, which was the resistance, is going to remain the strongest support here. But since it has given a breakout, one straight bullish candle, a retracement consolidating here, if you see it staying beyond 5.2 and 5.32 levels, stay bullish for 5.4. And if at all natural gas stays above 5.4, be ready for a greater rally. Stochastic here is looking downwards, trading bearish. The MACD, since the crossover, looking upwards, staying bullish. RSI at the top here. So considering this, what you should do now, before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, be a part of my mentorship batch. And if you're just willing to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. Those looking forward to just trade as per the signals, do not miss to be part of the signals channel. And yes, it is also equally important for you to have a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now where you should buy 3.2, easily you can buy, expect 3.24. Once it trades beyond 3.24, I'll be looking at 3.3, 3.32 zone. And if this is taken, then 3.4 is, oh sorry, 5. And once it trades beyond 5.4, extremely sorry, I'll just messed it up with 3, replacing 3 with 5 now. So 5.2 levels you can buy here and expect 5.24, then 5.3, 5.32. So I was talking about 5.3, 5.32. It has come down to 3 now. So yes, and then 5.4. Once it trades beyond 5.4, stay bullish for 5.6, 5.8, and then 6 levels directly. This could happen in a hurry here. We have already seen natural gas multiple occasions delivering 20% a day. Imagine if it delivers a 20% a day move. Yes, we can see it moving beyond 6 in a single day. You have to watch out with caution. As in how these levels are taken specifically beyond 5.4, the bullishness is going to increase strongly. On the downside, where you should sell, I will only recommend you to sell now at 5.14 with the support at 5.1. 5.05 and 5. Once it trades below 5, that is the point of time the bearishness is going to increase. You can expect 4.93, 4.86 and 4.8. Now 4.8, which was the resistance, is now going to be a strongest support here. So this 5 and 4.8 zone is what you should be cautious of. Below 4.8, I think it might correct strong towards 4.72, 4.6 and then 4.5, 4.4 levels. I do not expect natural gas to deliver such a sharp correction now. It has taken a direction, it might stay bullish from here. So take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.